Hello guys, welcome to Unacademy. This is English grammar series which is useful for SSC CGL, CHSL, Bank PO and other competitive exams. This course is on subject verb agreement. I am Neha Kaplish and I am a tutor in this course. This is some information about me. Please rate, share and review these lectures. You can follow my Unacademy profile at this address. My username is Neha Kaplish. Let's look at the rule number 24, which deals with countries and how they are used and how they change their verbs in the context of subject verb agreement. Now, names of countries are always singular. As we all know, there exists only one country with a specific name. There is only one India, there is only one Nepal, there is only one France, or one Italy, or one Pakistan, or one USA. Okay, so they're always singular. Okay, even though some countries end with the letter S, and generally we know that when a word ends with a letter S, it is plural, but it is not the case with the countries. There are countries like West Indies or United States which seem to be plural, but they are actually singular. Why? Because there is only one West Indies in the world. There is only one United States in the world. So a singular verb will be used always. Okay, they might seem to be plural, but they are not. They are singular. Therefore, the verb is singular. Let's look at the examples. The United States of America has one of the largest number of gold medals. India is a diverse country. Sri Lanka is situated to the south of India. In all of these examples, you'll see when we are referring to a country, when a country is our subject, the helping verb or the verb itself is singular. Alright? But there is a contradiction. In sports, in the realm of sports, when we are referring to a country, we are actually talking about the players that are representing that country. Okay, a country is actually an idea. It is not actually a person, right? As we all know, it is quite obvious, but it is an idea, and there are some players who represent that country. There are some players who play for that country and bring glory to the country if they win, or they bring some kind of a shame, although I don't agree. But the common knowledge is that the loss is a kind of a shame. But so are you getting my point? So it is the act of these players that add up to the results in a game, right? In the realm of sports. Okay, I'm sorry for my fumbling. So let's move ahead. So in such a case, in sports, when we're talking about a country, we're actually referring to the players. So in such a case, the plural verb is used. Okay, so let's look at the examples. England have won the World Cup. Here, even though we're talking about a country, England, we're actually talking about the players. Players have played for their country and they have won. So therefore, have has been used. Okay, so for specifically in sports, when we are talking about a country, we are talking about their players, and players are in plural. Therefore, plural verb has been used. Next example, Bangladesh have decided to let the other team bat first. Okay, it is very simple. If you think about it, it is kind of obvious too. It will make sense if you think about it, right? Because when we are actually there, it is a number of players that are bringing about the results in a game, in sports, right? So whatever happens happens because a number of players are doing something. Okay, so the end result has come about because some a number of people have done something. Okay, so in such a case, the verb should be plural. Okay, and also the main point here is not everybody is doing the same thing, right? Some batsman has scored a century, or some bowler, I'm talking about cricket, some bowler has taken 5 wickets in an innings, right? So in such a case, they are playing a part in the victory of their country, the country they are representing, right? So each has played his role individually, right? They are acting as individuals and therefore plural. Okay, so plural verb. I hope you have understood this. Thank you very much.